Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are in the kitchen, and today we're gonna make that baked spaghetti or just regular spaghetti, whichever you choose, because this could go either way. And I'm just gonna show you how I make mine, and these are all the important ingredients that we need. Now I love these diced green peppers and onions. I usually use the Rotel brand, but this is what I have right now. So this is what we're going to use. So meanwhile, we're going to go ahead and get started. Alright, so I got my pan preheating on medium-high heat. I always like to keep it on medium-high heat. There's no rhyme or reason for that. That's just what I do. And once it gets all nice and warm, I'm going to add my ground sirloin. But you can use ground turkey, ground chicken, ground beef, whatever you want to use. Right, you can use it. We have the meat in the pan. We're going to go ahead and start our seasoning. I love my Tony's Creole seasoning. I'm just going to use a generous amount. Kind of stir it all in and do it again. All the seasonings that I'm using today will be down below in the description box, so don't skip over the description box. And I use quite a few things because I like to, for my spaghetti and my foods, to have a flavor, girl. So right now I'm just adding the garlic and herb seasoning. I usually add Italian seasoning, my Tony's Creole seasoning, and black pepper. But you can add whatever you like. Now I feel like I have my meat perfectly seasoned, nice and brown. This is where I'm going to go ahead and add in the diced tomatoes and green peppers and onions, all of that good stuff right here. Just dump that in and let it just simmer all together for a little bit. I usually let this simmer and cook together for about 10-15 minutes. And just make sure you mix it all together really good. It just gives it a nice flavor and a good texture to the sauce. Now you can totally omit this step. It's not needed, but it's just what I like because, like I said, I like a lot of flavor. Alright guys, so it's been about 10 minutes of this simmering. I'm going to go ahead and put in the sauce with the meat and let that simmer for another 10-15 minutes. And then we'll go ahead and start our pasta. Alright guys, it is starting to smell so good in here. So this is where I'm going to go ahead and add in the spaghetti sauce. And guys, this is another one of my favorite brands of spaghetti sauce. This one is so good. I'm going to pour a little of this into the mix as well. Like I said, I love flavorful food, and this is going to taste so good. So yeah, this is what I normally use as well. So I'm going to go ahead and bring my water to a boil. I'm going to go ahead and salt it a bit for the noodles and put in a few drops of extra virgin olive oil into the water. This just keeps the noodles from sticking to each other. The sauce is now done. I'm going to reduce it down to low. Just let it stay warm and simmer just a bit while our noodles boil for 10 minutes. I've already had the oven preheated, so now that the pasta is good and al dente, I'm going to go ahead and assemble my pan for a baked spaghetti. Now here at this point, this is where you can rinse your noodles, drain them. I'll get all that starchy white stuff off. You don't want that in the pot. If you like to keep your noodles separate from your sauce, you can do that and just plate up your noodles and ladle up your sauce. You can definitely do that. But if you want to combine the two, which is what I'm about to do, you can definitely do that. Alright, so now I'm going to get my dish that I'm going to transfer my spaghetti to. So I've already put some noodles and sauce into the pan. I'm going to shake in some of the feta cheese. So now I've added the feta cheese throughout the dish. Now we're ready to top it with our cheese mixture. I'm using an Italian blend. It has Parmesan, mozzarella, all that good stuff. But feel free to add cheddar because that's what I'm going to be doing today. We're going to be adding some cheddar as well. So now we're going to do it big, as Diamond would say. We're going to add pepperoni to the top. Yummy, yum, yum. Alright, so now we're going to put it in the oven and let it bake. Let the cheese get all melty and nice and pretty and ooey and gooey. That's going to take about 10 minutes and then we'll be ready to plate it up. Guys, and it is all done. And now we're ready to plate it up. Ooey gooey baked spaghetti. Quick and easy. How's it taste, Ian?
Good.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you have rated Mimi's baked spaghetti today?
9.
A 9? I'll take it. Thank you very much. Enjoy.
It's kind of spicy.
That's kind of spicy?
That's why I gave it a 9.
Okay, I'll take that. But other than the spice, you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Sweet.
Without the spice, it would have been
Perfect.
10.
Okay, gotcha. So, in other words, it's grown folks approved, right? It's for adults and kids. All right, thank you. Oh yeah. Yummy, yum, yum.